Hi, my name is Dorothy Schick. I own and operate Take Wing, the only full-time flight school at the Creswell Airport. I've been here for more than 20 years. We have 3 employees and our mascot, Lucy. While I don't live in Creswell, I spend most of my waking hours here and really enjoy the community. Every business owner aspires to see their business grow. When a business grows, it's good for the community because it means more jobs are created and more revenue works its way into the community. I would like to grow my business. Expanding our business will require more office space. In fact, we've wanted to expand here for several years, but our hands have been tied. You see, the city has no more office space at the airport to lease. As you can see, we do a lot with a little. Our tiny office space is really that, tiny. The small space has some computers in what was once the closet. This is how we prepare people to take FAA tests. In fact, we're one of the only FAA test sites in the southern Willamette Valley. That's where pilots come and mechanics come to take their required FAA knowledge tests. Which brings me to the purpose of this video. In most cities, if a small business wants to develop properly, they get a loan and build a building, or maybe find larger office spaces to lease. The city of Creswell, as I said, has no office space to rent at the airport. Not only that, but the city's airport rules don't allow private ownership of real property at the airport. So even if we build a building, the city owns it. Try telling a bank you want to borrow money from them for a building, but the catch is they have to donate it to the city. And after 20 years, the city will take possession. Well, that doesn't make sense much to anyone, and it certainly wouldn't make sense to a bank. So that's why we're hoping the city will be open to an alternative solution. Modular, or also known as mobile buildings, are very common resources for cities as well as other schools and other kinds of businesses. They're very common at airports and even at hospitals. They're pretty much semi-permanent structures and relatively inexpensive to purchase. And they can be used for everything from extra classrooms, office space, like I said, or even passenger terminals. So if the city were willing to place a modular building at the airport, Take Wing would be able to lease it from the city. And it's important for you to know that we would be interested in a long-term lease, certainly not a month-to-month rental. In keeping with the city's airport master plan, I've pointed out here on this slide that a modular building could be sited in an area already set aside for the future buildings such as the FBO. Now, this is not the first time I've asked the city to consider this idea. The last time was about a year ago in February of 2014 when I pitched the idea to the then new city administrator and the mayor. So it's hard for me to understand why and how the city continues to wonder how to make the airport more viable, yet misses opportunities like this to partner with other businesses in their own backyard and bring in more revenue. Nonetheless, I continue to pursue it, and I would certainly appreciate it if you all would take a look at this idea and really use it as a sounding board and a way to begin negotiations with us to see if it's viable. Thank you very much, and I look forward to talking to all of you soon.